Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to your channel, Brilliant Minds by Neeru. In this video, I'll be showing you fully practically how you can insert an image, an audio, a video, and mail link in your web page made in HTML. Okay, so let's start learning all these things practically and I'll be explaining you the coding also. Okay, so see here, I'm going to show you an audio file. This has been inserted, an image is an image, and this is the video, and I've inserted a mail link also. So this is the coding I have done, and I've typed it in Notepad. Okay, but I'll explain you later. First, I'll show you this is the coding and how it shows you how it has been displayed when I run it. You have to type the file name here. So here, this is the file name and I'm going to show this. So this is the final display or the web page after running this Notepad file. Okay, see here to send me link here, click here. So I'll be showing you each and every link. So I'm going to click here. See here, it is taking to me here. Wherever your account is there, you can go there and type your message. Next is audio file. Just click, listen to it. Nice. Stop it. Now this is the video I've inserted. So you had a glimpse of the video also, and this is the image. Okay, now I come back to this coding part. See here in this coding also, I can show in this also in the colors, you can understand very easily. So for inserting a mail link, you have to use this tag ahref. Okay, and you have to close it using slash and anchor A. Okay, in the double quotes, you have to give the full path, full address of your Gmail account. And after this, whatever you write here, that is shown in your this web page. See here, to send me, click here. If you want to change the matter, you can change as well. Okay, next for inserting an audio, you have to insert the tag, you have to use the tag audio src, means the source. In the double quotes, again, you have to give the full path and you have to write the controls word also. If you don't write controls, it will be inserted. Okay, it will be inserted, it will be shown to you, but you cannot run it, you cannot listen to it because no control is there to start it, to play it. Okay, and how you can you can insert this path, I'll show you. In this, you have to go here, like I have these in my downloads. In the downloads, I have some, like, see here, suppose you check this one and see the properties. In properties, you can see the name, the location first. Just copy here and paste it in the Notepad, then paste the name of the file, then in the last you have to add the, do not forget it, dot the extension name of the file, .mp3. Fine. See here, I'll show you. See here, like audio src, C uses HP downloads, winning is elevation, this up to this, all the path has been given to you. Then after that, I've written .mp3, the file extension name, and after that controls also. And in the last, you have to close this tag using slash audio. Okay, then video src, if you want to insert the video also, same thing you have to repeat. You have to give the path in double quotes and the last give the controls also. But when I inserted it, the size of the video was very big, very large. So what did I do? I inserted height and width attributes also and gave the values like 300 and 300. Okay, then img src, you want to image insertion. Then for this also, again give the path and then height and width also, and border also I have used. You can see here I have used a border also. Okay, and rest of the coding is general HTML, head, title, then head you have closed, body bg color is equal to pink. Now I'm going to make some changes in the coding and then show you how it will be displayed. Suppose I want to make it red, and here also the message, please click here. Okay, and then here also, if I don't, in video I've removed the controls word. Okay, see what happens. Then after making the changes, the necessary step is you have to save it with Control S, or otherwise you can go to File and then click on Save. Okay, now I'm going to refresh this page. Now let me see, the background has been changed, the height has been increased, and here you see the controls have been removed because I have deleted the word controls. Now I come back again here, and in the video source I will write here controls. Okay, you have to write controls here, and if you want to make it pink again, or you want to change the color as yellow, just make the changes. And again, something else you want to change, please click here. Okay, rest is already very much clear to you. Now click on Save, and now refresh the page. See here, the background is yellow, and now you can see the controls over this video, and you can run like this. Okay, I hope you have understood everything, and I request you do subscribe the channel and stay tuned up. Okay, take care, all the best.